third key feature that we are going to be looking at now is the left sidebar. Now, the left sidebar is this one here, as you can see on the screen. But I would prefer not to click and demonstrate the left sidebar for a very, I believe, valid reason. Because the left sidebar, it shows or it lists historical conversations. So basically the conversations that I had with ChatGPT throughout the last period, throughout the last week, the last month, even the last few months. So for confidentiality reasons, I would prefer not to actually display my private conversations for the tutorial, but basically that's what the left sidebar allows us to do. Fourth feature is the new chat creation, which is a very basic feature. Basically, when I want to move from a current conversation that I'm having with the ChatGPT into a new one, so basically I just click here to get a new conversation.